Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your own furry organza bags. If you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. These are the items you'll be needing. The fur is from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box down below. You will need a scissors, some glue. It doesn't have to be crazy glue, and your organza bags. I did get these bags from the dollar store for about $1.29. And I'll be using crazy glue to get the fur stuck on there. You don't have to use crazy glue because it does actually make it hard. You can use nail glue, you can use hair glue. Just make sure that it goes on clear. Now I'm just measuring what I need to cut off. Keep in mind this is not the regular fur, so this is the small. It's very small, so I'm going to be applying 2 layers and I'm just going to be measuring what I need to cut off. Make sure that you cut off a little extra just so just in case it's not enough. Now I'm just applying a thin layer of the crazy glue on the back end. See the little strip right there? I'm just going to apply it on there so it does not get on the fur. A little bit do get on the fur if you're not careful, but that's okay. Yeah. I don't know about nobody else, but I really hate when crazy glue get on my fingers because it gets your fingers really hard. I did change to the lash glue. I forgot the name of it, but it's the clear one. It's the white one that goes on clear when it is dry. So I did change to that. That is better. Cause the crazy glue, it was just all I had at the moment. Right here, I'm just repeating the same steps. That's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, aren't these just so cute? This is how I package my organza bags for now. I do plan on getting the bigger fur, the fluffier one. So just stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.